Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. Right, my name is Roosevelt, and I will be making a cocktail for you. Right, I will be making a drink called the Chocolate Melt. I found this on the Scoville's website. Thought it was kind of neat. I had everything to make it, which was only 2 ingredients, but still, I felt like it should be made. Right. So first things first, we're gonna go with 3 ounces of some Scoville Jalapeno infused vodka. Next, we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of Creme de Cacao. That's where the chocolate comes at, right? You could probably use, if you want a prettier, clear drink, you could probably use the clear Creme de Cacao, but I want it to look like chocolate, right? So we're going to go 1.5 ounces of Creme de Cacao. So this is going to be a nice, like, spicy, chocolate, desserty cocktail. Let's get us some ice. So I chilled a glass with some little chocolate syrup in it. All right, let's strain it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's nice. Here you got it, a chocolate melt. Let's see how good it is. It's good. A little spice in the background, the sweetness of the chocolate. I'm glad I did the chocolate syrup inside the glass. That adds a little more to the sweetness, right? To kind of cut the spice, but I like spice, so I don't need to cut anyway. But anyway, the flavors of it is really good. The chocolate and the spice goes together, right? Sweet and spicy does go together. But do not forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.